Hi, this is a quick demo of the walk-up board that is available on the Alleo Rooms if you ever have Alleo Rooms installed on any of your displays. And so it begins with this screensaver, and everything is accessible through this menu right down here. And it allows for you to do an impromptu video call as well as a presentation or meeting, as well as a whiteboarding session and a Q&A session if you're doing something remotely with people with remote workers. And so to do video calls, you would initiate, a call would always be initiated within this board. And so you would simply send a link to this board out to your remote participants. They would then come into this board, and their video feeds would then fill in to the designated areas. So if we wanted to begin with just simply a video call, we would select from the menu, and then I already have my webcam initiated right down here to pose as the remote participant, but any other remote participants would simply fill in right here with their webcams, and then you could join a video call with the people in the room as well as people remotely. And then moving on down the line, we would select presentation. And so we have one of our meeting templates that allows you to simply upload content, let's say, to a designated area. And then from here, we can move that to the main area, or we could clear it. Or if we wanted to start a screen share, we could. You could start a screen share. We could also clear the main. And then notice up here on the top, the video feeds would fill in right here with the remote participants, and they would be able to engage with this as well and see just what you're seeing. And over here, you have the ability to add sticky notes that you could type into and move to any of the areas that you want. Moving on down the line, so now we have the whiteboarding session. And so we equipped you with the ability to select different colors to start whiteboarding, and then you select this icon right down here to engage the annotation tool. And from there you can start annotating. To get out of the annotation tool, just simply press and hold to bring up the context menu. And from here you can either select the eraser to erase, select the context tool again, and you can select the cursor to then go back to cursor mode. You also have the ability to add a sticky note right down here. And then finally, we come to the Q&A session. So again, remote users fill in here. They have the ability to ask questions if you want to run a Q&A session with the people in the room as well as remotely. And as always, you have the ability to add sticky notes, whether here at the screen or by using this QR code, it will then allow you to add sticky notes to this area, designated area right here. And then when you're done, just simply hit the menu and it takes you back to the beginning. Thanks.